Welcome back. Let's do activity 5. A pulley system is used to keep a heavy object at rest as shown on the diagram below. Calculate the weight of the object. So we can use our vector diagram or even use our original diagram here. So we're going to start by using our original diagram, and then thereafter we're going to use our vector diagram. So now the pulley system is used to keep a heavy object at rest as shown on the diagram below. So it means the system here is in equilibrium. So we can find the weight here. This is the weight. The weight and the sum of the vertical components of these forces here will be equal. So we're saying the vertical component of this force, we have our reference angle here. So the side is opposite. So it's going to be 1440 sine 55 degrees. And then the vertical component of this force here, check the side is opposite here. So it's going to be 1284.95 times sine 50. So if you add these two, they must give us the weight. Okay, so we have this part, and then we just put this in the calculator. Weight is equal to 2163.91 newtons. Right, let's use our vector diagram. We're going to apply the sine rule. Right, but before we do that, I want us to talk about this. So here we could have used this angle here. This angle is 35. So we could have used cos 35 here. We could have used cos 35 to find what? To find the vertical component of this force. Right, remember 35 and 55 are complementary angles. So cos 35 is just the same as sine 55. Also here we could have used cos 40. Remember 40 and 50 are complementary angles. So sine 50 and cos 40 is just one thing. Okay, so we could have used that. Let's move on to the sine rule part. The sine rule is very easy to use. So you check, you should have a side angle. You should have side angle. Remember how we got this angle? We got this angle as 105. You can say 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 35 degrees. We get 105, isn't it? Angle sum in triangle. So we have the angle and the side. And then also just take another combination of an angle and the side. We have this one, the angle and the side. And then we have one unknown. You see that? We have one unknown. So we can use what? We can use the sine rule. So it's going to be the side over sine W over sine 105 is equal to 1440 over sine 40. And then we multiply both sides by sine 105 degrees. We get this. W is equal to 1440 sine 105 over sine 40. And then just put this in the calculator. What you get? We get our weight, which is 2163.91 newtons. We could have used the other combination of side and angle. So we have this side and angle combination, and then also this side and angle combination. You see that? Also, it's going to give us the same answer. So we have one unknown, W over sine 105 is equal to 1284.95 over sine 35. And then we multiply by sine 105 on both sides of the equation. We get this. Okay. And then just put this in the calculator. What you get? We get the weight is 2163.91 newtons.